Hello student, welcome to today's biological class. Class 7, lesson number 1, the living world, adaptation and classification. Here, diversity in the living thing. In what different ways is the diversity in living things seen? Do you know it? The diversity in the living things is seen due to their different shape, size, color and the different structure of the body. Student, the geographical condition at the different places on the earth are very different. We find that the living things exist in all these diverse conditions. When we live in a certain place, we adjust to the conditions there. Various types of living things have survived because of their ability to adjust themselves to the condition in their surrounding. So here a great variety of plants is found on the earth. Some plants have a colorful flowers. Some plants grow in water, whereas some are to be found in the desert, which have the scarcity of water. Some plants are found only in the snowy regions. Some plants cannot be seen without a microscope, whereas some are huge in size. Like plants, animals too show the diversity. Some are unicellular, others multicellular. Some are vertebrates, whereas others are invertebrates. This world is full of a variety of animals, aquatic, terrestrial, amphibian, reptile, aerial, like this. This observation gives rise to the question, how did this great diversity come into being? Okay. So here one question is there, are the plants and animals from the Kashmir and the Rajasthan of the same type? Can you elaborate on any difference between the two? Yes. Can you differentiate between the plants and the animals from the Kashmir and the Rajasthan? Kashmir and Rajasthan are geographically different parts. The climate also different. The climatic conditions are different in these two places. Therefore, all the plants and all the animals is also different. Animals in Kashmir are with a thick fur. Their body is changed to suit the cold climate. And in Rajasthan, it is a desert. So animal like camel are seen here according to the local condition. The plants and the animal shows the different characteristic. So here one thing I want to talk with you, that in the desert plants normally have the small leaves, so there is a less evaporation of water on the hot condition or a sunny day. Plants store food and water. The plants are thick and the fleshy stems. But in the Kashmir, in the cold region, coniferous trees have the straight and the tall trunks to protect them from the winter, and they have a needle-like leaves. This is the difference between the plants which is found in the Kashmir and the plants which is found in the Rajasthan. Coniferous trees like pine and the deodar, it is where it is found in the snowy region like the Kashmir. However, in the desert of the Rajasthan, plants like cactus and acacia, it means babul, are to be found. The camel, a desert animal, is not found in the Kashmir. And what is the reason for these differences? Why the camel is not found in the Kashmir and while the bear is not found in the desert area? Okay, so what is the difference and what is the reason for that? Here, the adaptation of the animal which is found in both the places are the different. So, they have the different characteristic. Okay, so here, first of all, in the desert, what happened? The skin of a camel is thick, okay, and the legs are long with the soles, and the fur of the on the camel skin, what is that? That is very thin, okay, and fat is stored in its hump, due to which it can survive for a long time without water. And the eyelashes are long and thick, and thus they protect the eyes. And here, due to all of such adaptation, camel become most suitable to walk in the desert. Okay, but what happened with the bear? In the snowy region, the fur of the animals, how it is? It is thick. It is thick. Why it is thick? To protect themselves from the cold, and which keeps them warm. And the animals which are living in the desert, they have the skin with the less hair. Okay, so that is the reason, and that is the difference between the Kashmir, the animals which is found in the Kashmir, and the animals which is found in the Rajasthan. Now next, adaptation. Gradual changes occur in the body parts and also in the behavior of the organism, which help them to adjust to their surrounding. Such changes are called adaptation. They take place over a long period of time. So here, what is the adaptation? Adaptation are the changes that take place in the various organs and life processes of organism, so as to enable them to live, food, reproduce, and protect themselves from their enemies in the specific habitat and its a geographical condition. So here next, adaptation in the plant. Observe and complete the chart. Include other plants from your own region too. So here first is the plants. Name of the plants, lotus. What is its habitat? It's aquatic. Okay. Types of roots, fibrous roots. Characteristics of leaves, large and round with a waxy layer. Okay. And what is the characteristic of stem? Hollow and flexible. Second plant, cactus. Where it is found? In the desert. Type of root. What is the type of root of the cactus plants? Yes, it's a deeply penetrating. Okay. And what is the characteristic of leaves? Cannot see leaves. They don't have the leaf-like structure. And characteristic of stem, thick, fleshy and green stem. Okay. Next tree, next plant, banyan tree. Where it is found? It's a habitat on land. Types of root, some in soil, some aerial. Characteristic of leaves big and green. And characteristic of stem, hard and tall. In this way, adaptation of plant in our own region. Okay. Here we study about the adaptation and the classification of plant. In next video we can see the adaptation in the aquatic animal and the adaptation in the desert plant. Okay, thank you student. Thank you very much.